Hello and welcome to Health and Fitness with Beatrice. I am so happy to be with you here today. And today is a full body warm-up program, standing up the whole time without bending down at all. And the first exercise is brain yoga, where we put our thumbs on our earlobes, pointer fingers on the back, and we squat down 7 times. Let's start now. Right arm over left. 7 times going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Marvelous. And then hands out. Eyes are following the hand, okay? 12 times rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And now head to the right and then to the left. 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Heads go back and then down to the shin 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Great. Now arms. Softly like it's the beginning, and then big circles back 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And then forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Great. Now engage your core and your glutes, and then you swirl to the side, you twist to the side, okay? 12 times as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Great. Hip rotation 12 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And knee rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Great. Perfect. Now let's go and hold on to something, a furniture or anything that's solid and doesn't move. Hands up and foot up, okay? And rotate clockwise 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Change foot and hand. Up again, straight out with the hand and knee in 90 degree. Clockwise rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Marvelous. Now opposite hand and foot again, and we're just flexing out. 12 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. Leg of the warm-up exercises. So lean back a little bit, soft knees, and then go to one side very gently like this. Let's do 6 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Behind your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Behind your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Second one of the warm-up exercises. Another third one. It's a bit more intense in the cardio. Arms up, elbow, knees, the opposite knee. 12 times. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. Now arms forward and then open up the chest. 12 of this one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now we're going to do lunges. Now we're going to do lunges. Shoulder width apart. You put one foot forward, knee is over your ankle, and then you twist over that foot that you have forward. Okay, let's start now. 12 on each leg. 1, and then push back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. Now other leg. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. Now squat down, and then you squat down and you lift something up from the floor and you throw it to the side. 12 on each side. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Let's not stop now. Let's keep that heartbeat up and running a little bit. It is still stretches, but quite intense, okay? Lifting up the leg. leg raise. When you are leaning in over it as well. 12 on each leg. Are you with me? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't look down. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. 12. That was 12, so only 6 on each leg. Need to do 12 more. Okay, are you with me? Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. And now, if you don't get so high up, don't beat yourself down on that. You get up as high up as you possibly can. Now, standing hip circle. 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. Now, lift up the leg and then push it back. Lift up and then push it back. 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Change around. Next leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. The IT band, the outside of your thigh. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That was all. Well done. Well done. You did all of these without bending your head down. Thumbs up. Now, if you like, go and do one of the other HIIT sessions and let's smash this 14-day Kickstart program. Lots of love to you all. Take care.